trust me. Just watch. I'm recently new to Austin. I'm from New York. Yeah. Lots of fun things to do in Austin, though. Lots of entertainment things to do. I went on an audition yesterday. I didn't get it. They said I overacted. As far as I know, when you're dying, you shit yourself. I was just trying to show my range and stay true to form. You gotta sell that shit. That's what we call in the biz, going full anal. Come on, Meryl Streep, top that. I also went and picked up Avatar on Blu-ray today. For you poor people, it's also out on DVD. There's some sexual innuendos going on this thing. I mean, the whole 3.5 hours, you know? And you look closely at the end, the main character totally's got blue balls. 3.5 hours is a long time to have blue balls chasing that bitch around the jungle. Let me tell you. And when I'm not making inappropriate James Cameron jokes, I'm at the dog park. And like I said, I'm from New York, so everything there is on leash. You know, you got your wife, your husband, your crackberry, your crack. It's all on a leash in New York. Here they get to roam free and just like do whatever. And then I figured out why it's kind of weird, because people give their dogs really inappropriate names. This little pug was next to me shaking, pug-like, and this 300-pound lady comes charging up the hill.